In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add text on image in WordPress Elementor. In order to do that, head over first to elementor.com, log in and create your account. Now, let's host Elementor to WordPress. Into this case, head over to wordpress.com, click on the list Get Started if you do not have an account yet, but if you already have one like I do, just head over and click on this login option that we can see right here. Now I've already logged in and this is what my page looks like under the Elementor editor. So into this, what we can do is we can head over and add in here first a text. So let's head over and then scroll down, add in here a heading, and here is our heading already added. Now head over to the style, and in here you can see the text color, typography, and under this as well you can see the advanced page. You can see the layout, CSS, and in here you can see the background. So expand the background option right here, and in here you can choose either classic or gradient options for the background. However, what we want right here is to have a background of an image. So what I recommend you to do is to head over to this plus icon and then add in here a container. Drag and drop it right here. Now, once this container has been added, head over to the style, and then in here on the background type, you can see that we can choose in here slideshow, gradient, video, as well as classic. Onto this case, let's add in here or choose in here an image that we wish to use. I'll head over and choose in here this one and select it. So as you can see, we have now this. We just need to input this particular text into this part. You can head over and then move them around, or you can also add a new text that have the same option there. So click on this plus icon, then add that heading right here. And as you can see, we have now this text and the background is an image. So if you want to change the actual image size, you can just head over and edit the particular container that we have. Then head over to your style and change its alignment and the likes. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.